Flags. So where you can find the list of the country flags if you don't have any copy on board of your vessel. So I will show you where to find it. Let's go. So first, go to your Admiralty ANP reader. Then after that one, go to the bookshelves, then all publication. Then after that one, go to ENP 100. This is a Mariner's Handbook. Then go to your contents. Then go to your contents. Then scroll down. Go to Annex C, Flags and Ensign of Maritime Nation. This one, page 323. So here, we just locate page 323. Then if you can see, Flags and Ensign of Maritime Nation. So all country flags is listed here. So you can make a snapshot each page, for example like this one, so that you can have a PDF copy. Then after that one, you can save and you can laminate so that you have already a copy of all list of flag on boards. So that's all. I hope this one will help to you. Thank you.